Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today's just going to be a quick video on some things that I ordered from AllStitch. I ordered this probably about 3 days ago and I had got it last night, so I'm just going to open it up and show you guys the embroidery things that I got. I don't even know where to open this up there. Alright, we getting close. They put it in one of those boxes. I usually get my stuff in a mailer, so I just rip it right open. But they put it in a box, and then they tape the box. I hope I don't cut nothing. Alright, we just gonna have to open it up like this. Alright. So the first thing I got was just some mini threads. And I always get the mini one before I actually get the bigger size spool, just because I'm unsure of what the color really looks like once I start to use it. So I got this color. I got a couple colors. So I got like some browns. I was thinking about doing a gingerbread design for my Etsy shop, so I bought those. And these were $2.99, so I got a couple of them. I got some more. I didn't even know I ordered this many. Got more browns and teals and lavenders. I'm thinking about maybe doing like a mermaid design with these. So I also bought Tender Touch. This is it. Like they put it in like a type of plastic wrap. So if you don't know what Tender Touch is, it's just something that you put inside of your garment. Usually like after you embroider kids shirts, you'll put it in the inside and you'll put it on the rough side down. So it's two sides to it and it kind of look very similar. I'll make a video on how to apply Tender Touch, but you just apply it on the rough side down. And this is usually a lot. People usually call it Tender Touch or Silky Touch. It has a couple of names. I also bought stabilizer. This is cutaway stabilizer, but it's the size 7 by 7, 7.5 by 7.5. So I have a 5 by 6 hoop, so this should fit perfectly. Hopefully this worked because I run through a lot of stabilizers, so this is my first time ordering this one. I also just ordered like a little tape measure. The last thing I ordered was this poly neon thread book. So when you open it up, it just has all of the different colors that the Madeira 40 weight thread comes in. And this was $6.50. I believe it was on sale though, but I feel like this is something that you might want to get, especially if you keep ordering threads and you don't like the color. This lets you know the thread color ahead of time, and it's super clutch to get for only $6.50. That's less than a big spool of thread. So this is something that you might want to consider if you want to check your threads out before you order them. Also guys, this is the end of the video, but consider subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment below. Comment below your favorite Madeira thread fit. If you like any content on my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm just saying the content, like. If you like any of the content on the channel, please consider subscribing. Also guys, we're trying to get to 100 subscribers before November 18th. So if you want to be a part of that, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.